You ever wonder how your smart devices just know what to do? We're going to break down the Internet of Things. Okay, so it's not magic. It's actually a network of tiny parts all working together. Let's dive in.
Yeah, the IoT is what makes everyday objects smart, just by connecting them to the internet.
So, at its core, it's all about giving a digital life to the physical stuff around us.
So how do they do it? Well, it all starts with the senses of the digital world, sensors.
Basically, a sensor just translates a real-world thing, like heat, into computer speak.
And sensors come in two main flavors. Analog is like a dimmer, while digital is just on or off.
And these little guys are the invisible workhorses inside your smart devices, just constantly gathering data. Okay, so you've got the data, but how does it speak? How does it get where it needs to go? Well, think of it like mailing a letter. The data gets packaged up for its trip on the network.
Basically, this whole process just breaks info into tiny, manageable chunks for a safe trip online.
And that IP header, it's literally the zip code guiding the packet through the internet's highways.
Now, when you link up thousands of these devices, well, that's when things get really powerful.
You're basically creating a digital nervous system for a whole area, like a factory or even a forest. I mean, these networks create a real-time digital picture of entire environments. It's pretty wild.
Yeah, from factories to traffic jams, these networks are completely changing entire industries. But, just collecting data is useless if you can't actually do something with it. So how does that happen? Well, this is where the muscles of the IoT come into play. Right, if a sensor is the eye, then an actuator is the hand. It's the part that actually does stuff. And that simple loop, sense something, then do something, is the core of every single smart device you own. All right, so let's put all these pieces together. How does it all actually work? It's this four-step dance: sense, communicate, analyze, and act. That's the blueprint for everything. The really amazing part is how these simple blocks scale up to build our entire connected future. But with billions more devices coming online, the big question is, how do we handle security and privacy?